All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm back for another hardware review, taking a look at a hidden camera which is sold by Camduck, and this is the Camduck-X 2K hidden spy camera for home security. And what this bad boy offers you is it's got this discrete little cable splitter where you've got four plugs, and then you've got the three USB plugs here at the top. It allows you to, with the camera inside of here, do 4 megapixel recording where you can practically read the text off of a book when somebody's walking past this inside of your house. And then all of the recordings themselves are stored on a micro SD card inside of here, which is covered by this little plate here. And it supports an up to 128 gig micro SD. So you can store a lot of different videos on this device. And depending on how you've got it set up, either looping or only recording when it sees motion, this thing could store months worth of footage if you're concerned about illicit activity in a private room or a private spot on your property. So the whole idea is this allows you to have a discreet yet functional hidden camera in your home that you can check to see what's going on inside. So we're going to check this out and see how well it does. And really the simplest answer is, and the easiest way to see the quality is, I treated it like a webcam, plugged it into this bad boy, and that allows me to position this wherever I want so you can see with perfect clarity how well it records. Okay, so let's take a look at like a little unboxing here so you can see what the product looks like when you pull it out of the package. So Camduck comes in a nice little cardboard package. I'd call it discreet, but it's not really hiding anything. It's just a nice little compact box that you can store it in when you're not using it. And right on the top is the instruction booklet that helps you get everything set up and grab the app so that you know what you're doing and everything works. And then inside of it is the actual camera itself, which is packaged in some non-static plastic to help make sure it doesn't get damaged in transit. And I kind of like that it's like a little cat shape with like a little face because of the little plugs. That's kind of a nice little feature, so it's not just another ugly plug in your house. And really, you can kind of see it here that there's a camera in there, but it's really hard to see, especially if you're just looking at it at a glance from across the room where you might be, concealing it because you've got a bunch of stuff plugged into it already. So it's not really appealing for people to want to plug stuff into it too. And it's a nice compact shape. It's just meant to go into a standard sized 2 plug outlet. And it's fairly durable. And then at the top there, you can see the panel that allows you to insert your micro SD card. And again, it supports up to 128 gig micro SD, so you have a lot of space. Then it comes like a little guitar pick like piece of plastic to help you pop the lid off, and then some others like an extra screw if you want to use that to mount it somewhere. And then it also comes with a USB 2.0 micro SD card reader, which is kind of handy, but you don't actually need to use this. You can actually just download stuff directly to your phone rather than, using the hardware itself to pull videos off, which is kind of nice, especially because you can connect this to your Wi-Fi and grab videos on the go. Now, the other thing that I've gone ahead and done is I've grabbed a video of me talking and using this as a webcam, a pseudo webcam for a moment. That way you can kind of get a feeling for the overall quality of the video recording device itself. So the Camduck hidden cameras center around a very simple and pretty straightforward to use app called the Camduck app, which is literally just an icon that looks like a duck. And if you click on it, you can click to start, and it will very easily, by just detecting it over Bluetooth, allow you to connect your device to your phone and then register it to the app so you can access it at pretty much any time. So with that in mind, you can just go ahead and click on that, and then you can see a preview of the recording device at any time right there on your phone. You can also access, if you're interested, changing over the quality recording. So you can change the recording quality of the app at any time. So if you want to do like a looping recording where you don't have to worry quite so much about how much space you're taking up, you can reduce the quality to 1080p. That way you can still see who's in the house or whatever place you've got this device positioned, but it won't eat up your storage as much. You can take photos, you can set it up so that there's an alarm message sent to your phone when it detects message, because you can connect this to your Wi-Fi. Like if I pop in here to the settings panel, you can see that there's Wi-Fi configuration, that you can name what room this is in by just picking a name from this one here, or you can add a custom name. I just said lounge because that's the closest to an office that they had built into the app. There's also an engineering development mode that you can turn on if you want to develop for this. Wi-Fi configuration, so you can access your device over the web at any time. You can change the SD card settings, or you can format the SD card, which is handy for erasing other stuff on it so it doesn't kind of get lost or garbled, or you just want to reset everything and start from scratch. You give a lot of control here, but one of the main things is the recording status, where you can set if you wanted to do a looped recording where it's constantly recording, or if you want to change it so that it will only start recording when it detects motion. I would say that if you want this to act as proper security, you probably want this to function on motion and not just on constant looping. But overall, I've actually been pretty pleased with the quality of this. You can easily record your own manual recordings if you want to follow something that's going on, like maybe your neighbor's dog gets into your shed and starts chewing up your tools or something. You can record that as evidence to confront them with, or whatever you want to use this for security purposes. So yeah, this Camduck camera has done a nice job. It's great quality, and the videos, it stores hundreds of videos on a 128 gig micro SD card, because I already was saving hundreds of them, and all I have right now to test it with is a 64 gig card. So this is a great little addition to anyone's home security setup, especially because once you've got it tied to your phone and you've logged it into your home's Wi-Fi, this will let you know when it detects motion inside of your house, along with also recording a backup of that same video to let you know that someone's been there or something else has been there. Because a lot of times, sometimes it's not even people that you're concerned with, and maybe it's just animals that might be getting into like your garage or your workplace or like a shed or something. This could help you figure out all of that and help you keep an eye on things. So this has been the Camduck 2K HD spy camera. It provides you with actual functional charging ports, so you can both use this and you can also use it to keep an eye on stuff that's important to you in your home. Although I will say, as far as like actual difficult to see spy tech is concerned, and maybe it's hard to see, you can kind of see like scratches and stuff on there, but you can kind of see when you get really close with your eyes the actual camera in there. So this is not going to stand up to scrutiny if someone's looking for spy cameras around, and you really shouldn't be trying to spy on people in places where they'd be suspicious that you'd be using it anyway. I think the only thing that I don't like about this particular model, and like really it's going to come down to like how detectable do you think you want the camera to be, because you can kind of see the camera inside the plastic if you look at the right angle. It's right there in the middle, along with the fact that there's this weird little hole on the plastic, which might be a giveaway that it, there might be something in there. But the other thing is that like there's a giant access port on the top of the camera. So if anyone's really looking for this, they're going to figure it out when they see this, and then they pop it open with like their nails or like a set of car keys and see that there's an SD card in there. So this is really just for casual homes like surveillance, in case you're worried about something going walkabout in your own home, or animals doing something you don't want them to do, whatever. But this is not definitely going to be something where if you want to like have it completely concealed, this might not be exactly what you're looking for. But it's nice, and this thing runs about $80. So that kind of gives you an idea of how much this product costs. So yeah, This has been a brief look at the Camduck lineup of cameras. They do a nice job, they're good quality, and they're a good price for the quality of camera that you're getting, along with the fact that this is a functional charger. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. And of course, the link to this product is in the video description below. Bye.